Hi folks, welcome to Housekeeping Guruji channel. It's me, your friend Bikash, or popularly known as Housekeeping Guruji. Today, topic will be very important for those people who are planning to start their housekeeping cleaning company. So, my simple question is a cleaning company booming or it's dead? The simple answer is it's booming, and in this 2 year period of corona pandemic, it has seen the massive growth. Because of this pandemic all over the universe, people are now aware about the cleaning, about the sanitation. Cleaning industry is booming and it's at the peak now. And now the cleaning industry is everywhere, you name it. Just to give you some of the names, like now there is in restaurant, school, colleges, malls, hotels, IT sector. Even now start a cleaning company, you don't need a hefty chunk of money, just a small amount will be all enough. Because at the beginning you will not be choosing all the trades in the sense, in cleaning industry it's not a simple cleaning. There are different segments, there are different areas. So a few areas I would like to discuss with you, like swimming pool cleaning, your carpet and upholstery shampooing, your glass cleaning. And glass cleaning is a high risk factor which I will not suggest you guys to carry on. Your water tank cleanings are there, even your car washing are there, so on and on. So it depends upon your investment, what investment you are putting on for the equipments, what investment you are putting on for the tools, machineries. So it depends. So the basic amount what I suggest you is around 70k, and with the working budget around 1 lakh. So that is enough. Because at the beginning when we'll be starting with the company, we'll be establishing a company, will not go for a high-end machines from Taskis, Angar India, even your Kachar, going through those sophisticated machines and costly machines. First starting for an initial investment, we can go with the local machines which is easily available in India Mart. And for the machines, equipments, chemicals, tools, whatever help you require, you can connect with us through our social networking sites. Those links you will find in about section. I will try my level best to help you out. Previously associated with one of the company, and I was not able to help you full fledgedly, but you all know that I'll be establishing a hotel management college shortly, and I will try my level best to take out time for you guys, and I will try my level best to visit your places to establish your company, and I'll try my level best to give the training to your staff. Successful cleaning business, you need to have a well trained staff, and you will never get a trained staff from the market. You need to take them raw, you need to polish them, you need to train them so that they will act as per your requirement. I want to second part of this video. In this we'll be discussing about establishing a cleaning company in India. I'll be talking, there was a lot of hurdles to start a cleaning company, but slowly the processes are smooth enough. So to start a cleaning company, either you are registering, if you are registering as a partnership firm, then you need to register your partnership firm. If you are registering as a sole proprietorship with a minimum budget, then you can register your company through MSME. And through MSME, once you register, within 1 week or 5 days, you will get your certificate, and you don't need to pay a single penny to anybody. A lot of agents which you will find in Google who will charge you around 1500, 1600, 2000 to register your company through MSME. But you all to register your company MSME, and the charges will be zero. Yeah, you heard it right, zero. And if wants me to register your company through MSME and show live demo, that guys I will be obliged to do for you guys. For that you need to just mention in comment, or you can mention in our group, so that I can help you out. You have the certification to start a cleaning company. First is MSME. Second, you need to register your company through GST. Once you are done with MSME and once you are done with GST, you can apply for your current account. GST, why those companies, IT companies, schools, they want the vendor to have their GST certification done. Is it clear to you? And in near future, if you want to take the whoever want to take the government contract in near future, you guys need to take the ISO. And for this ISO certification and all, if you need, I can help you out. And I know a lot of companies. I know a lot of firms which can provide you the ISO certification in cheaper rate. So you can contact me for that also. So these are the documents what you required, and after this all you are good to go. And for the training parts and all, don't worry, I will help you out full-fledgedly. I will be coming to your place and I'll be going through each and everything, and I will try to fix up the vendors for the cleaning chemicals, tools, equipments, so we can carry on like this. And if you have any questions, if you have any queries about the cleaning company setup, I can help you out. You can easily contact me through our social sites. Guys, literally I'm telling you, I have been in this industry, like hospitality industry, from 15 years, and my core trade was with housekeeping only. So I have trained almost lakhs of professionals in my career. And not only with the housekeeping, the cleaning part, I have been dealing with the laundry setup, I have been dealing with the pest control setup. I have worked with lot of projects so of cleaning. So hope this video make you understand what's the value of the cleaning business. In near future, we'll be having a panel of executive housekeeper from different hotels talking about the cleaning industry, importance of the sanitation. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe the channel, like this channel, and share this channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.